Deciphering Peaking in English. Hey everyone! In today's lesson, we'll delve into the word peaking. This word can be quite fascinating because of the various contexts it's used in. Stick around as we unpack its meanings and how to use it. Peaking is primarily the present participle form of the verb peak. It generally refers to the point in time when something reaches its highest level or value. Imagine a mountain. The topmost point is the peak. When something is peaking, it's reaching its highest or most intense point. Example: the company's sales are peaking this month, with record-breaking figures. 2.1 in sports and fitness. In sports or fitness, peaking refers to the phase when an athlete is at their optimal performance. It's the time they've prepared for, aiming to be at their best, whether for a competition or a specific event. Example: the sprinter was peaking right in time for the Olympics. 2.2 in technology. In the realm of audio and visuals, peaking can describe when a level, like volume or signal, exceeds the optimal limit, sometimes resulting in distortion. Example: turn the volume down. The audio is peaking and might harm the speakers. 2.3 Emotional context. When talking about emotions or sensations, peaking can imply experiencing the maximum intensity of a particular feeling. Example: an hour into the concert, my excitement was peaking. It's easy to confuse peaking with peaking because of their phonetic similarity. Remember, peaking is about reaching a high point. Peeking means to look quickly or secretly. Example: I saw him peeking from behind the curtain while my excitement was peaking during the surprise party. Understanding the nuances of words like peaking helps in enhancing our communication. We hope this video shed some light on its different uses. Keep practicing, and soon, your English skills will be peaking too. See you in the next lesson!